Want to use PayPal to pay for your Uber Eats orders? Here's a quick and simple way to link your PayPal account to the app. First, you have to launch the Uber Eats app. Open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure you have the latest version installed. Step 2. Go to Wallet. Tap on the account icon, which is usually found in the bottom right corner. From the menu, select Wallet. Step 3. Add a new payment method. Tap on Add Payment or Add Payment Method. Choose PayPal from the list of payment options. Step 4. Connect your PayPal account. You'll be redirected to the PayPal login page or the PayPal app. Sign in using your email or mobile number and password. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and authorize the link. Step 5. Finish setup. Once signed in and confirmed, your PayPal account will now be connected to your Uber Eats profile. Important reminders: for availability, PayPal may not show up in some countries or regions. If you don't see it, the feature might not be supported where you are. For account setup, your PayPal must be linked to a valid bank account or debit or credit card to be used for payments. In terms of the Add Later option, you can also link PayPal during the checkout screen when placing an order. Troubleshooting tips: if there's an error, check your app version and make sure your phone's region settings are correct. Now you're all set to use PayPal for Uber Eats as long as the option is supported in your location. This tutorial is for educational purposes only. And that would be all for today's quick guide. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.